Alright, so in the last video, I took the bad bloated up battery out of my Dell Inspiron, and now I have the replacement here now. This is a $40 one that I just got off Amazon. It's not an official Dell one, but it's one of those replacement ones. If I can get it up, there we go. So this is what it looks like. I'm just comparing the two. They are indeed the correct one. And, oh, it helps if you can see, huh? Why didn't you say anything? So, yeah, I'm going to install this guy now. Supposedly it's the same. I'm sure it'll work fine. And I remember I put the screws back in. Yes, I did. So they are still in their slots. So let me pull these out again. This one, I believe. And this one. So 4 screws are out. I'm going to put the battery in. There we go, it fits right in. And then we're going to reattach the battery connector. Hold on. So it's probably easier if I just take it out and then attach it first. There we go. It is tightly connected now. And then we put the screws back in. Go. And tighten all the screws since I just put them in lightly. Okay, so the battery is in. Let's see if we got power. So we do got power. So it looks like it works. That's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna force close this guy and put the back on. And I think I will save you the trouble of watching that.